Hey, for supper today, we are making 1 pot chicken and rice. Yes, 1 pot. I don't know with my casserole dish. On the side here, I've got 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of bouillon, aka norok. On the side here, I have washed 1 cup of jasmine rice. Oh, in here, seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder. And we're just going to saute these guys, get them nice and fresh. Oven is on preheating. Focus 350. We're going to get these sauteed. Oh, that's the oven. Get these sauteed. Put the rice in, the bouillon, stock, and put it in the oven, 45 to an hour. All right, there we go. Those are sauteed. You really just need them to brown up there, nice and golden. Pop your rice in. Give it a mixy-wixy-doo. Don't worry. Those are just the spices. This is gonna be awesome sauce. So you give it a little mixeroo toffee do, and then you're going to add your Norox mixture and get it in the oven. So there we go. The best thing about this pot is that it can go into the oven. So I started everything on my stove top here. And I'm going to add the chicken back in and cover this guy up. And we are, ooh, don't forget the juices now. Don't forget the juices. Hey. And then see you back when it's cooked. And there we go, friends. I left mine for 45 minutes. And yeah, I'm using foil because I don't even know where's the lid. Hashtag moving. Ooh, that's why I say, you know what? The pro about these military people packing you up is that they pack your shit up. But the con is that they don't put stuff together. Ooh la la. Chicken and rice. Chicken and rice. Let's get a little fluffy do. Hey, look at all that flavor. Chicken is nice and tender. Let's see. Make sure you check on your juices over there. You know, if it comes out clear, it's cooked, right? If it comes out red, then yeah. Oh my, that looks good. And see, the rice even took a little tint of that bouillon. The bouillon. Baby's waking up. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just going to put this foil back on there, leave it in the oven. It'll be fine. Oven off. Put the oven off and put it back. Hey, boy, it's 2:24 and I already made supper. Oh, look at me. And then I'm just going to saute some broccoli on the side. We'll have this with some sauteed broccoli on the side. And Gavin can eat this too. I'm going to give him a little bit of rye. Give him some chicken there and a couple pieces of broccoli and we're good to go. Hello, baby lip meaning. Ooh. So here I'm going to do a bit of a voiceover because our house just got a little loud with that anime playing in the background. So here's Gavin's dinner. He's got the rice. I've chopped up some pieces of chicken for him. I like to put the bone on the side. I move the little cartilage on the edges. He likes to chew on the bone. And the sauteed broccoli, I've got it nice and soft. And I cut it into pieces that he can hold. On the side there, we just have some blueberries pureed. And so that's his supper for tonight. On the side here, whatever was left over from the blueberries, I threw in some yogurt and some oatmeal. And I'm going to put that in the fridge overnight. And that's his breakfast for the next day. And so, for the morning, everything will be nice and defrosted. So, that's what we have in this dinner and this breakfast. And here he is getting down for the get down. It was so funny. He was making these smacking noises. But like I say, we were had the TV on too loud or pretty loud, so it kind of muffles out the sound. And he seemed to enjoy it. Yes, he's got a spoon and a fork. Sometimes I'll give him a piece, like a spoon or something, and then I'll use the other to feed him along the way. But he's doing pretty good with it. And every time he would eat it, go, or he goes, And that's the end result. This guy had a very messy, exciting dinner last night. Oh, he's so cute. There he goes. And that's it, friends. Please let me know if you like these kinds of videos, and I'll make sure to load up some more. Thank you.